What is going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you what's going on when you ceramic coat your headlights and then when you get a rock chip in your headlights. How does the ceramic coating hold up to a rock chip? Well, find out. I mean, this is kind of crazy that this just happened. I was looking at the quality of the headlights after the ceramic coating, and that's when I noticed this little rock chip over here. And I'm gonna have to switch over to a macro lens so you guys can see it, but there is a rock chip, and this is honestly the first rock chip that I have on a headlights. I mean, I got some rock chips on the car here and there, but I've never had a big rock chip indent in my headlights. All right, let's switch over to the macro mode and I'll show you how the ceramic coating did. Alright guys, so we are on the macro lens right now, and this is actually the headlight surface. You can see all these imperfections. They're like cracks, like a broken glass. And as we're going along, let me know if you guys noticed the rock chip. There it is. That is the rock chip. That definitely did some damage here. You can see the stress marks on the plastic right here, these straight lines, because they stop right there, those straight lines. That was pretty much the stress from the impact. See, these lines right here don't match up with these lines right here. These lines are actually just from this stress. And yeah, nice little rock chip in the headlight, man. Doesn't look too bad in person, but up close, man, look at this headlight though. I guess there are rock chips in there, smaller rock chips, but who knew? Look at the quality of that, man. So you can kind of see the fine, sanding marks here, but if you look deep down inside, all these little glass-like cracks, that's actually from inside the headlight, the imperfections. And for those of you guys that are wondering about this blue paint of mine, this is actually macro mode on the paint. So you can see it's blue metallic. You got some purple in there, some silver. It's actually quite interesting color. I wish it was more vivid blue, but look, there's a rock chip right there, as you can see in the paint. Alright guys, and that is it. Just a little quick spray down. I don't have a foam gun. As you guys saw, I just used a little spray bottle with some soap and water. It does the trick. Once your car is so clean like it is right now after polishing and waxing, I mean, all you need is just some little soap on the car, some pressured water, and most of the dirt seriously just disappears. It just runs out of the paint. So definitely recommend waxing your car. Well, that just about does it for this video. That was pretty interesting to see the headlight on a macro scale and the paint itself on a macro scale. Definitely interesting. I did not know the headlight looks so bad on a macro level. Like, these things definitely need some work. So we got more things in store for that. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. We just picked up some stuff. We just picked up some additional supplies for the next checklist from the 2018 projects. We got a little sanding disc that we can put in the drill. This is gonna help us speed up the process of sanding the drums and sanding the calipers. We also picked up primer. Definitely we need that before we start painting the brakes. And we got high heat black Rust-Oleum. You know, this thing's made up for resists heat up to 2,000 degrees is definitely what you want for brakes, because brakes do heat up tremendously. We got some rubberized undercoating as well. This is very important. We did rubberize the car underneath when we first got it. I do want to touch up some spots in the rear quarter panels just to be safe. Make sure we do not get Honda cancer. Alright guys, stay tuned for the next video. Oh yeah, and I might as well show you guys the brakes now. I mean, just look at those things. Those things look horrendous. Definitely need to clean those up. The drum brakes, not as bad, but you can see the paint is dried out. It is cracking. So we'll touch those up as well in the next video.